Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Personalize based on precise location on your account on X Switcher, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy and safety. Here you will find it, location information, and here you'll find it personalized based on precise location. Just click on it like this and it should be turned on, and that's how to turn on personalized based on precise location on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.